welcome to another CADimensions Tech Tip. My name is Derek Welker, and today we'll be discussing the Property Tab Builder. Do you find that manually inputting custom properties into the File Properties menu is a little tedious? Well, there's a better way. Using the Property Tab Builder, the fields you want to specify are automatically populated and require much less work to complete than before. Another benefit is that all your files going forward will contain much more consistent file properties. The File Properties input field is found in the Custom Properties tab of the task pane. As you can see, I already have a template set up with some specific fields. When I input data into the fields and select on Apply, it will push these file properties into the File Properties menu. You can already see the time savings from having to specify which property you want and then have to type it in. To see even more benefit, you can have the material property, for example, automatically populate from SOLIDWORKS instead of having to grab it each time. Also, we can build in specific lists so that the property is consistent and doesn't require any manual entry. Now that you see what the Property Tab Builder can do, let's actually create one. The Property Tab Builder can be started directly from SOLIDWORKS if you do not have a template created already by selecting on Create Now. Otherwise, it can be found in the Start menu. By default, there is one group box because the property fields are required to be in a group box. Group boxes can separate specific properties if needed, but that is up to the user. We will add in some basic text boxes for part number and description. What you will notice is that the caption field is only the label of the field. The name field in the custom property attributes is the custom property name that will be created when it is applied to the file. Making sure the part number name matches the property that you are currently using will not affect any of your drawings down the road, meaning that notes on the drawing template that are already associated to that property will not be affected as long as the correct name is selected. Now let's add a list to the group box. We are creating a list of users this model could have been drawn by so that it's not a manual entry but just more or less a drop-down selection of the user. To create a date field, we need to drag and drop a text box and select a date as the type of property. It's really that simple. More properties can be added to the field if desired, but at this point it can be saved and ready to use. Make sure you check the file location in your Tools Options menu to determine where to save the file. From there, it will automatically be populated into the task pane inside of SOLIDWORKS. Hopefully you will take advantage of this Property Tab Builder and eliminate the need to manually input all file properties from this point on. Thank you for watching another CADimensions Tech Tip. See you next week.
Don't forget to check us out on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and our blog for more great content by clicking on the links in the description below.